Welcome. Let's continue to explore the Texas Math Solution Support Center. Remember, you can visit the Support Center at any time by going to carnegielearning.com/texas-help. Today, we'll see what resources are found in the Getting Started section. Before we jump in, I'd like to invite you to complete this sentence. To start the year off right, I need to know blank. Feel free to pause if you need more time to think. It's quite possible that you completed the sentence with something similar to these answers on the screen. You want to know what Carnegie Learning is all about. Perhaps you need guidance on just how to get started with all of the resources. Maybe you need some tools for planning out the year, or how to establish a collaborative classroom during those critical first days of school. Or you aren't sure where to start, so you just want to learn more about everything. But the great news is that there are resources on our support center that will help provide you with what you need to know. So let's take a moment to check out the Getting Started section. If you've taken a look at any of the other sections, you know there is more here that we could possibly get into in this short video. But here are a few good places to start. If you want information about Carnegie Learning, then you can learn more about our philosophy and our company here. And you can see some examples of what our partnerships across Texas districts are saying here. If you're accessing your materials for the first time, you'll want to check out these Getting Started guides. You can also find out what all of the components of the Texas Math Solution are here. As you start to think about mapping out the year, these course level documents provide a great framework. And as you dig in, you might find that our sequence of topics may be different than how you've taught in years past. I know that for me personally, I taught algebra in a very disconnected way, which I don't think allowed my students to construct meaningful relationships between the math concepts. I really love the purposeful way our resources are structured. And if you want to learn more about how the arc of mathematics unfolds across each course, you can check out these Texas Math Solution course overview videos here. Again, there's so much here, I urge you to find some time to explore and learn more. So what are your next steps for getting started? Will you spend time exploring the Support Center? Will you begin pacing out topics for the school year? Maybe you've learned something new and you're excited to share that information with a colleague. Wherever your journey will take you, getting started is the first step in that direction. And remember, we're here to help you along the way. You can reach out via one of the emails on the screen, or visit the Texas Math Solution Support Center at carnegielearning.com/texas-help. Thank you.